Hello everyone. Are you ready to kickstart your day with a routine that is going to help you fight inflammation and also boost your overall well-being? Whether you are dealing with chronic pain or fatigue or brain fog or you just want to feel the best, today's video is for you because I am going to share with you the number one best morning routine to stop inflammation quickly. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board certified family physician from US with advanced training in functional medicine and peptide therapy. Over the course of years, I have helped thousands of patients to reduce chronic inflammation and improve their quality of life through personal lifestyle changes. And today I'm excited to walk you through this morning routine that is specially designed to fight inflammation and set you up for a healthier day. So let's get started. So the very first thing that you do when you wake up in the morning is to drink this anti-inflammatory water, which I'm going to tell you how to prepare. Hydration is the very first key in the morning. The reason being your kidney needs that extra hydration to flush out toxins. Your gut and your colon needs that hydration to again help it to function better. Your cells need that hydration to start the metabolism in the morning. For that, you need to use some warm water in the morning, not hot water, but warm water. The warm water is really good for your stomach, so that's the reason you use warm water. In this warm water, you need to squeeze one lemon or lime. The reason being these lemon and lime are really high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful anti-inflammatory substance. Plus, it also is a metabolism booster. So it starts your day in the right direction. The next thing to squeeze into this drink is ginger juice. Ginger juice in small quantities again has powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. It really is good for your gut health and ignites that power of digestion in the morning as well as boost the metabolism so that your body can function really good during the whole day. The next thing you add to this drink is a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric has something called curcumin. And curcumin, along with gingerols in ginger and vitamin C in lemon, works really good to reduce inflammation, especially starting in the morning. So this is the first thing you do in the morning of drinking this drink empty stomach so that can kickstart your metabolism, detoxification, and set your body for anti-inflammatory day. The next thing to do over here is gentle body movement. After drinking this drink, this is going to boost your energy and your metabolism. And it is very important to use this energy in body movement. It has been shown in research studies that any kind of body movement you are doing that releases anti-inflammatory molecules called myokines. These myokines specially reduces inflammation all over your body as well as improves circulation in your body and also joint mobility. So that's the reason body movements is really very important. Either you can do 10 to 15 minutes of a standing workout with your body weights, or you can go for a walk, but make sure it is a brisk walk. It is very important to combine cardio exercising with weight training. You don't have to go to a gym. You can just simply do some push-ups or you can do some squats. That is a good weight training method along with some cardio of either jumping jacks or cycling or running or walking. But 10 to 15 minutes of a minimum body movement is needed so that your body can produce these anti-inflammatory molecules. After you're done with exercising, then it is time for breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. A lot of people have been skipping breakfast because they're trying to follow an intermittent fasting regimen, but that is not the right way to do it. You have to eat a breakfast. Maybe you can have a late breakfast. That is perfectly fine to do, but make sure you do it because most of the research studies points that if a breakfast is high in omega-3 fatty acids, if the breakfast is high in good quality proteins and good quality fats, those are the people who have the least amount of inflammatory chemicals in their body. So it is very important to include all of these ingredients in your breakfast. For that, I really love an anti-inflammatory breakfast smoothie. You can start this anti-inflammatory smoothie with a good quality vegan protein powder. Make sure it is not whey because you need a vegan protein powder or collagen peptides as the base of this morning smoothie. Then you add a tablespoon of soaked chia seeds overnight into it, some soaked almond to it, some berries like blueberries or strawberries to it, and then you add some greens into it it like either spinach or kale. Now, this is a most powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie that you can drink in the morning that is going to give you all the required ingredients to start your day. If you're not a smoothie fan, the other option would be obviously overnight oatmeals. Make sure you're not doing instant oat but only steel cut oats, because those are the only ones which have anti-inflammatory properties. When you soak them overnight, that helps the body's digestion of the oats as well as breaks down the lectins that oats might have into it. Into this oats, again, you add soaked chia seeds in the morning, as well as you add some nuts and seeds like either almonds or walnuts into it. Now, this again is energy packed oatmeal for your morning, because that is going to give you the right nutrients to again start your day. After you're done enjoying this breakfast, it is very important to give your body a break so it can digest and assimilate all of these nutrients. So I recommend 10 to 15 minutes of either meditation or deep breathing exercise after you're done with your breakfast, so that first of all it benefits your stress level, lowers your cortisol levels, reduces inflammation in the body, and plus it lets your body to digest this drink and also assimilate all of the nutrients so that it can give you the maximum benefit. If you have too much inflammation in the body and you want to keep this inflammation at bay, then the easiest way is to add supplements. One of the supplements over here is omega-3 fatty acids or fish oil. Fish oil has EPA and DHA, which have the most powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Make sure you're using at least a minimum of 1000 to 2000 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined so that you get the complete benefit of these anti-inflammatory things. The next thing is to use a blend of these antioxidants like either curcumin, ginger, quercetin, boswellia, all of these things, in a supplement form so that you can get the required supplements in the absorbable form and required quantities. Now, that's the reason I have prepared a couple of supplements over here. One is called Inflammapro, which has all of these anti-inflammatory compounds into them. And we have also prepared a high quality fish oil supplement too. The link will be in the description if you're interested in buying that. Here you have, this is the number one best morning routine that is going to help you fight the inflammation and set yourself for a healthier day. Start incorporating these steps in the morning, and remember, consistency is the key. You might not see the benefit in the very first day, but if you do this routine for a minimum of 30 days, you are going to see your inflammation levels coming down and also see an improvement in how your body is feeling. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with people around you who can benefit from this information. Till next time, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.